everybody, I'm Dave. Today we're gonna cook chuck roast burnt ends, a simpler way than having to cook up a whole packer brisket and still gives you that great beefy flavor. Let's get it started. We're gonna put a little oil on it just to use it as a binder for our rub here. And we're gonna coat the meat heavily. Then we're gonna throw it on the smoker at about 225 to get it a nice crust. It should take about 5 hours, maybe 6 hours. But what we're really looking for is an internal temperature of 165. Okay, so we just took the chuck roast off. We hit 165 on the internal temperature. Got a nice bark on it. We're gonna wrap it in butcher paper. So I spritz again with my 50-50 apple cider vinegar and water, and then we start wrapping. Now we're just gonna throw this right back on the smoker. Okay, so now it hit 195 internal, so we took it off the smoker. We're gonna unwrap it. This looks gorgeous. Look at that. Smells amazing already. I'm gonna give it about 10 minutes and then I'll cut it into cubes. This looks gorgeous. This way as well. And then when we finish this, we're gonna throw it in the pan. We'll add the barbecue sauce, brown sugar, and then back on the smoker. This chuck roast looks amazing. Look at that smoke ring on it. Beautiful bark on this. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the sauce. This is my spicy barbecue sauce. And we're gonna add some of this brown sugar all over the top. And then we're gonna be covering it up and throwing it back in. They're gonna be so good when they finish. They're gonna literally melt in your mouth with flavor. Okay, it's been 2 hours since we put the aluminum foil on and the pan back in with the burnt ends. We're gonna take them off. It's gonna be time to eat. Oh, these look absolutely beautiful. They smell incredible. Barbecue sauce and brown sugar smells incredible as well. Look at that. Gonna let them cool just a little bit, and then I'm diving in. These are cooled off. They look amazing. I'm diving in. So juicy. So tender. It melts in your mouth. If you have not tried this, you need to. Again, nothing beats brisket burnt ends, but this comes real close and is much more affordable. Thanks so much for joining me on this great cook. Again, I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hey, tell me what you want to see cooked. Be happy to give it a try. Take care, everybody, and remember, spread love through barbecue. So good.